Good evening, Dr. Yan. It's a pleasure meeting you here at the Three Shape Roadshow. I am Dr. Utkarshaa Jaiswal from the Dental Practice magazine, and I'd love to ask you a few questions.
Yes, welcome and nice to see you here as well.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. To begin with, could you share a bit about your journey with Three Shape?
So I had a great journey. I have been digital for 20 years and the last 10 years with 3Shape now. So 3Shape has taken me all over the world and for the last 5 days now here around India as well. It's actually my fifth time in India, so I love coming here. But this time we had a roadshow and it was great.
Wonderful, sir. So, what are your thoughts on the future of AI in digital dentistry, and how is it going to affect this industry overall?
So we are lucky that we are in the AI era because things that was tedious and slow before can now be done by AI, and then we can inspect the result and correct if necessary. So things that we used to do that took long time, like writing a chart, looking at x-rays, creating a crown in the software, AI can now help us with. So we are in the best spot right now. And when we look forward, I think that AI can help us, let's say, take the intraoral scanner from being an impression tool to actually be used for more things in the clinic, maybe even for diagnostics. So that would be a very nice approach if the scanner could tell us what has changed since last time, and then we can get help creating diagnostics from that one.
That'll really help the clinicians. That'll change their life.
Yes,
Actually,
it will.
yeah.
And maybe even some clinicians will buy an intraoral scanner not to take impressions firsthand, but actually to do the exams and diagnosis. And the impression will be a bonus. So the other way around instead.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, perfect. Yeah. So, Three Shape conducted this roadshow across 5 cities, as you mentioned. So, how was this entire experience for you of the 5 days and the 5 cities?
It was amazing. And it's very difficult for me to actually find one city that is better than the other because they
Yeah.
all have their own specifics and peculiarities and so on. So that has been amazing. And in every city, I meet fantastic dentists. All over the roadshow, now over 900 dentists. And they are in different stages of their digitalization. Some are beginners, they haven't started yet, and some are professionals. This has been a good journey, and I love to meet them, to hear what they have learned, and also to give something back to all of them.
Wonderful, sir. So, could you just elaborate a little bit on the product that's being launched in this roadshow?
Yes, so we have had a few scanners on the market for a long time, and one of them in particular, the Trios 3, has been with us now for 10 years. And it is an amazing scanner. Over 250 scientific studies have been done on that scanner itself, so it's most of all scanners. And it's trusted, everyone likes to work with it. But it's like an old car. It's getting a little bit, old on the polish. The furniture could be new. So we have upgraded. We've made a facelift. So it has a new nice titanium shell. It has a new ventilation, of course, using USB-C now without any power adapters, pulling the power directly from the computer. So modernizing it to the latest standard, of course. But it's still the same good old trios that everyone loves and trusts as well.
Just with a few upgradations to help the dentists.
Yes, of
That's
course, making it more modern in appearance as well. Yeah.
wonderful, sir. So, with the Three Shape Academy that is opening up in India, what are your visions and aspirations for the impact of it in the digital dental education?
I believe that science and knowledge and academy work is the most important part of our trade, actually. We are craftsmen, we are used to work with our hands, but we need to know why we are doing things. We need to understand the workflows and how we can use that in our clinics, how we can help our patients. And we can learn that by reading books, we can learn by looking at videos, but there is nothing like an academy interacting with you, having hands-on sessions where you can sit down, discuss, do some mistakes and learn from that as well. So the academy will have a very pivotal role here in India as well. And I know they will do a great job. And I have enjoyed my trip here so much. So I already promised them that I will be back and help out if they need my help as well. So it's good.
Wonderful, sir. It was a pleasure having you here, and it's always a pleasure meeting you and talking to you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
very
for your
much.
time. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thank you.